Today we will learn uh, a poem Sunrise. It is actually written in Dogri by Padma Sajdev, but it is translated into English by Dr. Karan Singh. Padma Sajdev is one of the leading poets of Dogri. She she was born in 1940 in a family of Sanskrit scholars. Padma admits that she has no influence save that of folk songs in her poetry. Perhaps this what gives her poetry its typical earthy flower, while her Sanskrit literary background lends it its vibrancy. Padma Sajdev is the recipient of many honors, including the Sahitya Academy Award that she has won in 1971. And now we will come to the poem that is Sunrise. Sunrise, this poem that is actually a translation of a Dogri poem that I have already told you. It conveys a message that just as nature phenomenon follows once for all set pattern and rule, humans should also follow the same norms or set norms. And if human beings like this nature will not follow these norms and rules, it is sure that it will verge on arrogance that will result in nothing but chaos. Therefore, every natural phenomena shows a strict behavior, and that is why there is cosmos, no chaos. But it gives at the same time a lesson to human beings that we should not violate these rules and norms, otherwise we will meet a catastrophe that we see nowadays. This sunrise is reversal depicts the sun as descending in the sky and is compared to a cataract in human eye. That is a eye defect when a person is not able to see, or he means that the light that gets reflected or emitted from different objects can't enter into his eye because of this cataract, and which deprives it of its beauty and utility. This cloud. The clouds are making the sky seem polar and drenched, unbashing their wrath on it in the form of lightning and rain. Therefore, the poet has here used literary device that is personification. Now, let us to read the first sentence. The sun was descending like a cataract in the eye of the sky. The rain was constantly splashing against the sky, washing it so that it began to look drenched and fallen, and it was thundering in anger. Now, from first to five, in these lines, the early morning sun is covered by a veil of clouds. It has been means this early sun wet, and it is rainy morning with thunder showers greeting this new day. Sun rises above the horizon, rain stops, and the clouds slowly begin to disperse. The sun was descending like a cataract in the eye of the Sekai means that it was not clear. Sekai was not clear like the eye. If it is suffering of this cataract, there seems that something obstacle hangs there. The eye of the Sekai. The rain was constantly splashing against the Sekai. In the eye of the Sekai, the rain was constantly splashing against the Sekai. It means that it was a wet morning with thunder showers greeting the new day because the morning introduces the day, what kind of a day it will be. The rain was constantly splashing against the Sekai, washing it, and you know that after rain, entire atmosphere seems clear, clean, so that it begin to look drenched. But here the poet has something something strange to say. That is, these poets are very strange people. He says that this rain makes the entire atmosphere to look drenched when something is put into water, soaked in water, and fall on. And it is, you know that in a rainy day, it looks very sad, forlorn, loneliness, and it was thundering in anger. And the Sekai is here personified. It was expressing its anger. It was in fury, and that is why here it is thundering has been resembled with angry mood, and it was thundering in anger. Okay.